In this video, I will show you how to get a Ledger Nano X. So there's basically two different ways of doing this. The first one is just through the Ledger official shop. So I'll leave a link to this down in the description that will take you to this page. So that's the Ledger shop, and if you scroll down a bit, you have the Ledger Nano range and you'll find the Ledger Nano X. Now in some countries, for example India and Pakistan, you cannot order from here directly. In that case, you want to go and search for Ledger Nano X and then your country, and then you will find some shops that will also sell it. But first I would try just using the regular Ledger shop. So just choose the color you want and add it to your cart. Then open up your cart and just click on checkout. And then just enter your information such as the country that you are from and your address. Then choose the shipping method you would like to use and click continue to payment. From there, you simply want to go and pay for it, and after you pay for it, it will be shipped out to your address. So if you can just use this method, I would use it. If you cannot for some reason, for example, it doesn't show a payment method for you, which in some countries is the case, then what you want to do is use the method that I mentioned earlier, where you just search for Ledger Nano X and in your country and search for another shop that is local to your country that is selling it. Again, I'll leave a link to the Ledger shop down in the description, where you can go and purchase it as well. If this video on how to get a Ledger Nano X was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.